Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about the vacation responder. So we're going to go to our trusty wheel up here in the upper right hand corner, settings. We're going to click settings and we're going to go scroll all the way down, keep it under the general tab here. Scroll all the way down to vacation responder. So let's turn vacation responder on and let's type in I'm on the beach. Thanks for leaving me a message. I'm on vacation until March 1, 2019. And then you can set the last day. So we can do March 1st. I'll save the changes. Okay. And now it says up here, I'm on the beach, and now vacation settings. So it's going to pop up there every time you open your account, because what it's doing is it's telling you this is a test. What I'm going to do is I'm going to email myself to see what happens. Okay, so let's hit send. Now, if you had a different email, it would populate this. I'm on vacation, and we did the auto response. So that is vacation mode. Vacation responder. So that setting is turned on. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.